Part number, FA1911. Fit type, vehicle-specific fit. Ohm equivalent part number, FA*1911. Package dimensions, 21.843 L by 5.08 H x 25.654 W centimeters. Premium aftermarket replacement parts for Ford and Lincoln vehicles, tested to provide performance and long-life reliability. 2-year unlimited mileage warranty, labor included and no commercial exceptions. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. Seems well made. Will buy again. Wanted OEM, and not some unknown brand. Ford's design to gain access on the Ford C-Max is horrible. Took me almost 1 hour to replace. Most other vehicles it's a 5-minute job.